So we're continuing with the kitchen. So underneath the worktop we have a place for the fridge. So that's the fridge which is present in the property with the freezing section on the top. The part of the fridge shelvings are present here. And there is a space to fit an extra appliance or some other items. Just looking at the floor, so we have laminated flooring in this area in light beige color. We have some visible signs of wear and tear. Here we have slats that are separated. There's a gap. Laminating is slightly lifting on the joining areas. Some patches around the fridge. Some slight markings. And again, laminating part is lifting toward the joining. Again, some slight patches. Some marks of dust underneath the worktop. So if it comes to the furniture, we have lower cupboards. That's the cupboard. We have 4 doors and 4 drawers. On above we have worktop. It's a laminated worktop in a dark grey. All matching. Good general order with some marks of on the surface is kind of marks of discoloration. The front mark here. Around the hole. And no markings toward the end. So let's have a look at the cupboard. So the doors are in light beige, and we notice some kind of markings, discoloration on the surface of the cupboards. Silver handles, empty inside. Next to this we have a built-in oven, brand Beko, clean door, some kind of smudges visible on inside, and rather clean inside. It is to be tested by the tenants. Next to the hob we have another storage area, again doors with marks. It's like grease like markings. So inside the cupboard is empty of items that are clean. That's our underneath the sink cupboard. There's some items present, kettle, white in plastic for tenants' use. No leaks visible. And we have 4 drawers. So that's our top drawer. Items. There is empty. And the bottom one is with some manuals for the tenants' use. Upper cupboard, so starting from right hand side we have shelving and another table. Some items present, some markings inside, some damage. That's our cupboard with the glass door, glass shelvings, good condition. That's our area above the sink. So again, no items but the clean. And that's our cupboards around the cooking area. We still notice those marks, grease-like marks impregnated in the doors. We're just checking how they look inside. That's our cupboard next to the extractor above the extractor fan, and on the left hand side again with visible markings. So we have an extractor fan in silver, slightly lifting on the switching area. And it is working. The light is not coming on. That's our extractor from the inside. Some markings on the surface visible. We have electric hub, brand Pecco, with 4 heating plates. We have burn marks around the heating plates. And the hob is to be tested by the tenant. We have our sink, so it's a single bowl in silver metal with 2 separate taps. The top and hot water. Hot water tap is coming on quite difficult way. And that's our shelving, our items present on the top of it. But it's rather clean and tidy. No plugs present there. So if it comes to the walls, we have tile area, white tiles with some pattern. They're in good general condition. No damage visible, some slight discoloration of the ground tin in places. The sealant is applied along the worktops. In good general condition with some signs of wear and tear and discoloration just around the sink area. And that's the continuity of our sealant. So walls on the upper part, they painted in light cream colour. Good general condition, but marks visible. So we're feeling hard refilled here and surface marks all over the walls. Ceiling is painted white. You can notice that it's slightly lighter than the ceiling of the living room. Good general condition. Appears to be rather clean and tidy. We have light fitting with 4 light bulbs, all present and working, and we notice visible dust and cobwebs on the light fittings. In this area we also have a window. So window is matching in style and colour the rest of the windows. Brown windows here with some slight markings on the surface. We have just one panel with a window, and this window opens and closes with no issues. We have window glazing with some kind of matte effect, and this great for ventilation. And that's our inventory completed.